Hey friends, I wanted to make a quick video and just show, I had a question. Does the charcoal basket fit in the Lone Star Grills underneath the deflector plate? So come on over here and take a look real quick. It actually will. If you see where the deflector plate sits, it'll go over the top on both sides, and so it'll stay in there while your deflector plate is in place. Now the question is, should you or do you want to do that actually? Because one of the things is your charcoal basket will get full of pellet dust and everything else from the regular cook. If you want to use a water pan, that's one of the features of the Lone Star Grills, is this space underneath the deflector plate that's with the fire pit off the side. So you can actually put a water pan in the Lone Star Grills underneath the deflector plate if you want to. Those are a couple of questions you want to ask. And then, you know, being that it's going to be full of pellet dust, when you get ready to use it, then you're going to have to take it all apart, and then you're going to have to take it out and dump it anyway. So if you want to use that for a storage space for your charcoal basket, then you can. If you want to leave it out, I leave mine underneath, and then I just dump my fire box right into the charcoal basket before every cook, and then I use that to haul out, and so I'm not carrying my firebox all over the place. Anyway, it's up to you, but yes, the answer is yes. It will fit underneath a deflector plate at all times. So hope this helps.